Why does your scanner show the P0366 engine code? What does it mean? P0366 is a diagnostic trouble code for camshaft position sensor B, circuit range, or performance at bank 1. It indicates that the PCM has detected an issue with the signal from the B camshaft position sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty camshaft position sensor. Wiring issues. Mechanical timing issues. Damaged tone ring. Powertrain control module failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mercedes, Honda, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.